Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing week. I hope you're watching my recipe videos and cooking them too. Also, for those of you who are new to my channel, I upload Northeast Indian recipes and my motorcycle and travel vlogs. Today we are going to cook a delicious Karbi traditional dish, that's curry leaves with dried fish. Karbis are indigenous tribals from Northeast India and they predominantly reside in a district called Karbi Anglong in Assam. Just like other Northeastern tribals, their food is really simple and basically prepared with ingredients that are locally available. So now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Curry leaves, green chilies, ginger, garlic, dried fish, khar or cooking soda, and salt. Now let's start cooking. First, take your cleaned and thoroughly rinsed curry leaves, remove them from the sprigs, add them into a grinder, then add your green chilies, garlic, ginger and little water. Now pound it into a fine paste. Now heat your pan on a low flame. Add your curry leaves and condiments paste. Stir. Cover and cook it on a low flame for 15 minutes, occasionally stirring in between. Once your curry leaves achieves a medium consistency, add your dried fish and khar or cooking soda. Stir, cover and cook it again for 5 minutes. Finally, add your salt as per taste. And your dish is ready. Along with this, I have stir-fried some broad beans with little salt. And slice some tomatoes for my salad. Here is our curry leaf with dried fish dish, and if you look at it, I mean it's slightly thick in consistency. That's how we prefer in Northeast India. And let me just show you the fish, dried fish pieces. Also, if you've observed during cooking, I have spent only about 5 minutes, right? From the time I have added these rinsed dried fish. So please ensure that you use only the small dried fish for this dish. Also, I'm going to put it on my plate, which is, I've already plated some steamed rice here. Oh my gosh, the aroma is really awesome. Yeah. And I can get that slight tint of dried fish too. These tomatoes are not salted, and I'm going to place my broad beans. Don't they look awesome? Yeah, a lot of greens today. So before I go ahead and pour in my dal, which is a moong dal, basically tempered with little cumin seeds, salt, turmeric, and dried red chili. Oh gosh, it's time to taste our delicious Karbi recipe. Mmm. Mmm. What flavor! Mmm. 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 I never thought curry leaves can taste this great. I mean, I do have some recipes, you know, I do have chicken recipes or fish recipe. Yeah, I think fish recipe which I have prepared with curry leaves. Do go to my channel and check that out. But this tribal style dish is really yum. Mm. Mm. So before I go ahead and help myself with the dal, which is basically a moong dal, as I have mentioned already, I am going to try this dish as is. Wow, look at the color. It's slightly spicy and really aromatic. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah, this is utterly delicious. Mmm. The dal is looking amazing. Alright, pour it right on top of the rice. I'm sure it's gonna be balanced. I added only about 4 chilies. Since we made it a paste, the heat came through quite generously, I must say. So whenever we have vegetarian dishes, these are the kind of recipes that we enjoy. Yeah, we need to have some kind of a dried fish or meat, chutneys as sides. And only vegetarian dishes are quite difficult. Mm. The broad beans are sweet and really crunchy. It's just perfect. Mm. So if you like broad beans, do let me know. I'll try to cover some more Karbi recipes which are prepared with broad beans and they are really amazing. Mm. The color of my plate is so beautiful. Mm. Mm. Yeah, now it's not too strong. And the best part is with every morsel you can have a teeny bit of this dried fish. Mm. What a wholesome meal. Feels really comforting. Mm. Curry leaf just pumps up the flavor of any dish that you put it in. And it's quite extensively used throughout South India. So it was really easy for us to procure. The tomatoes has also added a lovely tangy feel, making this entire meal come together really well. Also, if you have some tribal style traditional dishes, do write back to me on snigdhasbioscope@gmail.com. I'd be really happy to share with the rest of the YouTube viewers. And I hope you are enjoying watching my cookbang videos. Wow, wonderful. And there you go, I finished my meal. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you have not yet. There are a lot of recipes yet to come. And do visit my channel and also check out my travel vlogs. I hope you will enjoy them. And let me know in the comments about what you think. Until then, I'll be back every Friday with new recipes from Northeast India. See you soon.